Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best birthday gift bag you can buy right now. The Horaldaily 13 inches large birthday gift paper bag. Whether you're prepping for a birthday bash or need a last-minute wrap for that perfect present, this product makes gifting effortless, festive, and eco-conscious. Let's unpack everything that makes this gift bag a standout choice. First, let's talk size. The Horaldaily birthday gift bag comes in at a generous 13 by 10.2 by 4.9 inches. That means it's roomy enough to hold a wide range of gifts, from clothing and books to toys, gadgets, or even a small collection of cosmetics. If you've ever struggled with trying to cram a gift into a bag that's just too small, this one's going to be a game changer. Next up is the material. Horaldaily has crafted this bag from high-quality, eco-friendly paper. So not only is it thick and durable, it's also reusable and better for the planet. The paper has a smooth finish and feels substantial in your hands, giving your gift a touch of premium quality even before it's opened. It's great to see gifting options that don't add to unnecessary waste. Now, design plays a big role in how a gift feels, and this bag nails it. It features a cheerful birthday-themed design with vibrant dots and festive streamers printed on a bold yellow background. The colors are bright but tasteful, and the overall look is gender-neutral, perfect for men, women, or kids. It adds that celebratory vibe instantly, without needing any extra wrapping or accessories. And Horaldaily didn't stop there. Included with the bag is a matching birthday greeting card, measuring 6 by 8 inches. The card is printed on thick, quality paper and leaves plenty of space inside for you to write a heartfelt message. It's a thoughtful addition that completes the whole gift presentation in one package. No need to rush out and find a separate card at the last minute. Let's not forget functionality. The bag has a reinforced bottom, which means it won't sag or collapse under the weight of your gift. Plus, the handles are comfortable and strong, making it easy to carry, even if you've filled it to the top. Whether you're handing it to a coworker, a friend, or a family member, you can be confident the bag won't let you down. In a world full of boring or flimsy gift bags, the Horaldaily 13 inches birthday gift bag really shines. It's fun, practical, eco-conscious, and stylish, all the things you want in a gift presentation. Whether you're planning ahead or need something reliable on short notice, this bag covers all the bases. And because it's well constructed, chances are the recipient might even reuse it for someone else's birthday. That's a win in our book. So if you're looking for a gift bag that goes beyond just being a container and actually enhances the whole gifting experience, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to review next. Happy gifting!